What's going on, guys? I am still waiting on that stupid dowel pin, but it's supposed to get here tomorrow. So I am going to start working on the oiling system. I got the front damper on. I got the gasket in there. I have some of these, like that is tightened down, but I'm not sure if you can see it down in there. But there's a bolt back behind the damper that I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to, and it's just gonna be, I hope the other bolts are enough. You can kind of see it right there. Anyways, that's on. I ended up just leaving them uncoated, and you know, I think that's the right choice. It's a Jeep, it's gonna get dirty, yada yada. You really won't even see that. Most of the bolts in here anyways, since it's not a show car. So next, to start the oiling, I am going to get the girdle on. The whole point of this is once it's bolted down, it should connect all of these main caps structurally and help the block take the stress from combustion. Well, that is definitely a problem. I only had 13 of the 14 nuts to put on here, so I am gonna call it a night here and try to figure this out tomorrow, as well as this killer dowel. Stupid. So Jeep doesn't make these anymore, but they're nothing special. They are a 3/8 by 16th flange lock nut, so a little thread lock, and I think they're gonna be just fine. All right, I feel like it's been an unnecessary amount of time in this video, but the girdle is in, it's torqued down, and I'm still freaking waiting on this dowel. That took way too long, but it's finally on. Next up is putting the pan back on along with the gasket. But I know what you're thinking. Damn, Plum, it's a longer stroke, so you know, maybe you should check out the clearance. You're absolutely right. So that's what we're gonna do next. My sincerest apologies that this video is late and that it took forever to even make, but the oiling system is done. We're calling it done for now. Had to bang some stuff out of the pan. Oil filter and adapter is on. That's gonna come back out. Wink, wink. I'm not even gonna talk about the next part, but I will see you on it. I appreciate you. Bye.